Hi, hello guys. Good evening. All the way from here in Dubai. Now I just arrived from work and then Samsun comes to me. Okay, he was so hungry. I tried to feed him with something but he doesn't like it. He doesn't like the, the wind blows as well. So, right now he is in my bed. Right? I try, I tried to have a pictorial with him for our Instagram, but look what he did. Come, baby. Come. Oh my God. He's playing dead again. Look at that. Oh my God. What a cat's character. Come, baby. We will have a Instagram pictorial, please. Oh my God. This is a dead cat on my bed. See? Oh my God. Samsung. Where we can have a pictorial. Huh? Babe? We cannot have a pictorial for our Instagram. Huh? I like that. He was sleeping all day and when he wakes up he was like this. Are you still sleepy? Baby? Huh? Is movement of the ear is yes? Or no? Come on. Let's have a pictorial. 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 He doesn't like his move. Pictorial. Ha ha ha. Baby. Come on, get alive. Please. We need to entertain our fans. Look at this. If people sleepy, they will feel sleepy also. Samson. 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 Oh my God. I think this is like a several times he's playing dead at the camera. Look at that. Tita Masi will not be entertained with this. You know, so Tita Tonette. Hello. Oh my God, your paws and your nails are growing. Oh my God. What? Samson, wake up. He's time to run. Don't escape. Please don't we're not finish it. Say goodbye to muna Tita Mase. At the next season, Philippines. Look. Ouch! No, 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 no. No waving. You let me sneeze on this waving. Say goodbye to the camera. Goodbye. Goodbye, Tita Mase. Goodbye, Tita Tonette. Hello, Tita Missy. Where are you now? Are you with your future hubby? Bye. Bye. Okay, I will switch it up. Huh? I will switch it up. Mm-hmm.